Hello everyone, here are some MCQs and assertion reason type questions which I have framed from NCRT. I hope this video will be helpful for you all. So here we start with the first question. First assertion is the pollen grains are well preserved as fossils. Reason, presence of sporopollen. So it is written in the NCRT, page number 23. We can find that the hard outer layer called the exine is made up of sporopollen, which is one of the most resistant organic material known. It can withstand high temperatures and strong acids and alkali. No enzyme that degrades sporopollen is so far known. So therefore the assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Now coming to the second question. Here the second question is MCQ type. The synergids have a special cellular thickenings at micropillar tips called dash, which plays an important role in guiding pollen tubes into synergid. So it's very simple. Here it is given that important role in guiding pollen. So it is clear from this that it is filiform apparatus. Okay. Now coming to third question. A typical angiosperm embryo at maturity. 7-celled, 8-nucleate, 7-nucleated and 8-celled, or both 1 and 2. So here the answer should be both 1 and 2. Here we can see that the cells are less and nucleus is more. So it is 8-nucleate and 7-celled. Therefore fourth option is the correct option. Assertion. Both female and male gametes have to be brought together for fertilization to occur in flowering plants. Reason, both types of gametes are motile. So if both types of gametes are motile, so there is no need of bringing them together for fertilization. So the reason is false. Both types of gametes are non-motile. Therefore, there is a need for bringing them together for fertilization. So the answer should be 3, that is assertion is correct but reason is false. Question 5. Depending upon dash, pollination can be divided into autogamy, geitonogamy and xenogamy. So it is written in the NCRT that it is depending upon the source of pollen. It can be like source of pollen, from where we are getting the pollen. If we are getting the pollen from the same flower, then it is autogamy. From different flower but on the same plant, then geitonogamy. And from the different flower of the different plant, then it is xenogamy. So the answer is source of pollen. Question 6. Clistogamous flowers are invariably autogamous. Reason, there is no chance of cross pollen landing on the stigma. So here both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Clistogamous flowers are always closed. So there is no chance of cross pollen landing, and therefore they are invariably autogamous. Question number 7. The flowers produce an enormous amount of pollen when compared to the number of ovules available for pollination. Reason, to compensate for uncertainties and associated loss of pollen grains. So here the number of pollen is very large as compared to the amount of ovules for pollination. So it is due to compensate the uncertainties and the loss of pollen grains. So both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 8. Wind pollination requires light and non-sticky pollen grains. Reason, they can be transported in wind currents. So the answer is both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion, because they have to be transported by wind, so they need to be light and non-sticky so that they can be easily go with the wind currents. So the answer is first. I hope you like this video. For more such video, do let me know in comment sections. Thank you.